Friends, so let's continue the exercise 5a. In the previous video I completed up to question number 9. So let's start with question number 10. Which group of elements was missing from Mendeleev's original periodic table? So write the answer. Noble gases or the zero group elements were missing from Mendeleev's original periodic table because they were not discovered at that time. They were not discovered at that time. Question number 11. State the merits of Mendeleev's classification of elements. So, merits of Mendeleev's table is given on page number 81. So, you can see the heading merits of Mendeleev table. So, you have to write all the 4 points of merits. Okay, so you can short point number 3, you can short it and you can write the explanation with one example only. No need to write this table. Okay, this point number 3 only write with one example, and you can skip the second example and this table and write all the 4 points. Then next, why did Mendeleev leave some gap in his periodic table of elements? Explain your answer with an example. So mark the answer. You have to start the answer from point number 3 here. But don't begin from he predicted. इससे पहले एक सेंटेंस आप अपने आप लिखेंगे. Mendeleev left some gap in his periodic table and he predicted the properties of then unknown elements on the basis of the properties of elements lying adjacent to the vacant slot. समझ में आ गया ना? यहाँ से आपको स्टार्ट करना है, बट फर्स्ट सेंटेंस शुड बी Mendeleev left some gap in his periodic table and he predicted the properties of then unknown element. ऐसे करते करते और आप यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल आपको देना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्का एल्यूमिनियम से लेके लेटर ऑन 1876 तक. बस, नो नीड टू राइट द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. सो दिस वॉज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. क्वेश्चन 13 में आते हैं. द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू द केमिस्ट दैन इट्स रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास. वाई? तो इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट decides the chemical properties of an element. The atomic number of an element decides the chemical properties of an element because chemical properties depend upon the number of electrons present in the valence shell. Because the chemical properties depend upon the number of valence electrons present in the valence shell. Full stop. As the atomic number gives the configuration of an element, as the atomic number gives the configuration of the element, so it decides the chemical property of the element. So it decides the chemical property of the element. Full stop. It is considered to be more important and fundamental property. It is considered to be more important and fundamental property because no two elements, no TWO2, no two elements can have same atomic number. Because no two elements can have same atomic number. So the atomic number can be the identity of an element, which in turn decides the property. So the atomic number can be the identity of an element, which in turn decide its chemical property. Full stop. However, the mass number of an element cannot be the unique property because two elements can have the same mass number due to their isotopes. This much. Then question number 14. Consider the following elements: beryllium, lithium, sodium, calcium, potassium. Name the elements of same group and same period. पहले लिखो 14 का A, elements of same group. पहली हेडिंग डालो 14A, उसमें लिखो एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेम ग्रुप. तो सेम ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स क्या क्या हैं? पहला ग्रुप लिखिए ग्रुप 1. ग्रुप 1 और उसके नीचे लिख दो लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम. ग्रुप 1 उसके नीचे लिख दो लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम. फिर दूसरा ग्रुप लिखिए ग्रुप 2 और उसके नीचे लिख दीजिए बेरिलियम एंड कैल्शियम. ओके, राइट लाइक दिस. फर्स्ट राइट डाउन group 1 and write the elements lithium.